Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys today? I hope you guys are doing lovely. As you can see here, I forgot to film in my intro. Yeah, so my video's edited. I was going to bed and I realized that I forgot to do my intro. So this is it. Jesus. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a nice look. It's very pink, very pastel, very purple for the springtime. So if you want to know what I used, what look I did, then please keep on watching because this is not it.
Feelings. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah. To start off today's look, I'm going to prime my eyelids with the Fenty Beauty Eye Primer. Got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah. The first palette I'm using today is the Sultry palette by Anastasia, and the shade I'm going to go in with first is called Fresh, and I'm just going to apply it all over my lid. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces. The next shade I'm going to go into is called Bloom, and with this shade I'm going to focus it really on my inner corner and my outer V, and I'm not going to bring those two shadows together in the center. I'm going to leave a gap between them. Didn't know my heartbeat needed skipping out. No, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do. Now I'm just going to go quickly dip into the NYX Ultimate palette, and I'm going to use the third shade, and I'm just going to use that shade to blend everything out. Every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do. Going back into the Anastasia palette, I'm going to use the shade Rose Quartz and apply it right in the center in between the shade Bloom, and I'm going to apply it using my finger. Every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. And for today's lashes, I'm going to be using Lujo lashes. For primer today, I'm going to be using the Marc Jacobs Invisible Undercover Perfecting Coconut Face Primer. I'm just going to apply it all over my face, and I must say, it filled in my pores very nicely. For today's foundation, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Foundation in the shade 185. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Natasha Denona Transfix Matte Concealer in the shade 4N. No, I'm never letting go, now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces. To set my concealer, I am going to be using the Fenty Beauty Translucent Powder. To contour my face, I'm going to be using the KVD Shade and Light palette. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Cosmetics Top Tan Bronzer Duo, and I'm just going to apply it very lightly. To finish my under eye, I'm going to go in with the Berries and Cream Dominique Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to use this shade called Bittersweet, and it's a nice purple shade. I'm just going to apply it to my under eyes and smoke it out. Now I'm going to go in with the Natasha Denona Diamond and Blush palette, and I'm going to take that shade Duo Glow, and I'm going to apply it to my under eyes on top of Bittersweet and also in my inner corner. And for blush, I'm going to go in and use that powder blush color and apply it to the apples of my cheeks. And for highlighter, I'm going to be using the Glow Extreme highlighter in the same palette and applying it to my cheeks, my nose, and my Cupid's bow. To line my lips, I'm going to be using Pop Beauty's lip liner in the shade Risque Rose. And now for lipstick, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier lipstick in the shade Coral Clear. And I almost forgot bottom mascara. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara.
So that is it, guys. That is today's video. This is today's look. It's very nice, very spring, very colorful. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so you don't miss a video. I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.